later, so I'm not going to wait around for everybody. It's already been 2 or 3 minutes since midnight, so. Usually what I'll do is go ahead and take all the packs out and lay them out. Get this big box out of the way. There we go. All right. Stretch it out. Here we go. Oh, I want to find one of those Genesis, or I'd love to find another one of those blues. Blue fluorescence like we did earlier tonight. But those are crazy rare. I would say probably more rare than a Genesis for sure. I gotta be careful not to bump my camera because I had to reset it earlier, so. Ooh, a first pack autograph. Let's get it. LaDainian Tomlinson, Ben Roethlisberger, J.J. Watt. Let's just show it real quick. Boom. It's upside down. It looks like a veteran player, a retired veteran player. Aeneas Williams for the Cardinals. Kind of a random one there. Very odd signature, too. I may have pronounced his name wrong. Aeneas Williams. I'm not super familiar with who this guy is. That may tell my age, but probably a legend in his time. Will to win of Peyton Manning and a Patrick Queen rookie for the Ravens. That's a pretty random auto. We had a random one earlier too, but I have not heard of this cat. Good deal for the Cardinals, though. They don't have a ton of cards in here. They only have one rookie. Good grief, I couldn't find the top loader there. All right. Zach Thomas, Daniel Jones, Kyle Fuller. We have a green rookie. Jeff Okuda. That's not a bad one. Flea Flicker for the Bucks, Ronald Jones, Tom Brady, and a Mike Evans. And then we have a debut of Chase Claypool. The Claypool hype train has left the station, at least for now. Cards should be starting to come back down to normal. Or I guess, I don't know what normal is, but it's starting to come back down a little bit maybe. Especially after a negative 2-yard game. They play the Ravens this weekend. My boy Lamar coming at them. It's going to be a real test for old Lamar. Peyton Manning. Tom Brady pink. That's a nice one. And a Henry Ruggs pink. So this was overall a pretty good cello pack. We got an auto. 2 colored rookies. It's very hard to get that second colored rookie out of the cellos sometimes. But we got Okuda green, Henry Ruggs pink. We got old Tom Brady. TB12 for the Bucks. Let's see if I can actually get this card in there. Oh my gosh. Is that like sealed shut or something? I have done that before. Sometimes the top loaders come to me. They'll have like a manufacturing error or something. And like the top will still be shut. And I'll just be like, for like one of my own personal cards or something, I'll be like, what in the world is going on? And by golly, I'll look at the end of that thing and there's no opening. Got him. All right, 4 top-loaded cards out of the first cello. Heck, we'll take that. I'd say 3 top-loaded cards is probably an average cello. 4 is a decently good cello. For show, for show. Sonny Michel, Ryan Tannehill, Drew Lock, Darius Leonard, green for the Colts. Old school Brett Favre, and an NFL debut of Jacob Eason, also for the Colts. And just because I don't top load it on the video or on camera, doesn't mean I don't do it afterwards. Because there's a lot of cards I don't top load right away. I just do it for like the recap, little recap, big players, parallels, autos, stuff like that. Tyler Lockett, Stephon Gilmore, Deshaun Watson, Charles Tillman, a will to win of Dak Prescott. Our last card is a rookie. It is Antonio Gibson for the Redskins. Matt Judon, Randy Moss, a rookie of Kenneth Murray. This pack was a little less eventful for sure. Or this Cello pack at least. Only one colored rookie. And most of the other players weren't like crazy amazing veteran players. So maybe we'll get back to that. Get back to the hype here in a second. Now my gloves, I've had multiple people ask me before. My gloves aren't dirty. They're just, that's my skin underneath. Well, if I can prove it, maybe they are dirty. Yeah, it's just my skin underneath there. It's kind of weird the way that looks, though. Looks like big old chocolate circle stains or coffee stains or something. Another old Tyler Lockett, Stephon Gilmore, Calvin Ridley, Kerryon Johnson. We got Larry Fitzgerald, green will to win, the Cardinals. And another Henry Ruggs base card there. Old Dwayne Haskins, Joe Namath, Tremaine Edmonds, Ryan Tannehill green, the Titans. Got game of Darius Leonard, and a Pro Bowl Mark Andrews. A little corner up there, I gotta get popped off. There we go. Luke Kuechly, Jerry Rice, and a Hall of Fame of Randy Moss. Oh, Randy's got a lot of cards in here. There's a lot of veterans actually that do, so. Here we go. Kevin Byard, Tiki Barber, Brian Burns, old Jeff Saturday, touchdown masters of Todd Gurley. Actually, he has been a touchdown master. I think he's got like 8 TDs, I found out earlier today. And a CJ Henderson rookie for the Jaguars. Oh, Dan Marino, Nick Bosa, Tyler Eifert, Kyler Murray, a flea flicker for the Steelers, Jerome Bettis, Terry Bradshaw, and Juju Smith-Schuster. And we have a Jacob Eason base rookie. So we got 2 Easons now. I think the first one was a debut. Both have been base cards. No color yet for old Eason. Drew Lock pink, Richard Sherman, and a Pro Bowl Harrison Smith. The Vikings have 2 Pro Bowl cards between Kirk Cousins and Harrison Smith. I'm really not sure how they decide who gets a card and who doesn't. Like, my biggest one that I don't know about is the Raiders. So Marcus Mariota has a card in here, but Derek Carr does not. So that don't make any sense. Le'Veon Bell, Derwin James Jr., Ed Reed, Herman Moore, an old school Eli Manning, and a rookie of Brian Edwards for the Raiders. The Raiders got like 3 rookie cards already. Chris Conley, Melvin Gordon, TJ Hawkinson, DJ Chark, old school Randy Moss, and a Brandon Ayuk rookie for the 49ers. Yeah, it's true. The Vikings do have a lot of pinks so far. Jefferson's a man beast. He played really well last week. I think it was last week. Barry Sanders, Marshall Faulk, and we doubled up. We got a base rookie, and then we got a pink rookie for Brandon Ayuk. I heard his name pronounced a couple times on some highlights the other day, and I hope I'm saying it right again. I couldn't put it to memory very well. Hopefully I'm saying it right. We have a silver in here. I was wondering where those silvers were at. Randall Cunningham, Robert Woods, Joe Mixon, Tyreek Hill, Howie Long. I feel like they short print some of the rookie silvers because we pull 3 or 4 times as many veteran silvers, I feel like, as we do rookies. And LaMichael P. Ryan. That's our rookie card there for the Jets. Oh, Howie Long. The Raiders loading up on cards again. They got all kinds of rookies, and they got the first silver so far. Mike Evans, Aaron Donald, Tony Gonzalez. Got a Max Crosby green, another Raiders card there. Flea Flicker for the Browns, Chubb, Mayfield, and Odell Beckham Jr. And we got a nice Jeff Okudah rookie. Okudah. Mike, any Bears cards? No, I know we haven't pulled any Cole Kmet yet. And I don't think we pulled any colored Bears just yet either. Oh, there's a nice pink Kyler Murray. We got Darius Slayton and a Hall of Fame John Elway for the Broncos. I'm not a fan of those non-rookie pink packs. It seems like there's 3 or 4 in every 12-pack break, so. Yeah, Mike, we got 6 cellos left. We just hit the halfway point. Dalvin Cook, Cam Chancellor, Calvin Johnson, Thurman Thomas, got game of Aaron Donald, and a rookie of Antonio Gandy Golden for the Redskins. Jared Cook, Yannick Ngakoue, Will Fuller, Got an A.J. Terrell green rookie for the Falcons. Will the win of Larry Fitzgerald. And a DeAndre Swift NFL debut. No Tua yet. No Herbert. And no Burrow. 7 Cellos in. Emmitt Smith, Jimmy Garoppolo, and an NFL debut of Chase Claypool. The Steelers. DK Metcalf. That card looks pretty nasty, actually. Jeez Louise. Devin McCourty. John Elway. Got a Matthew Stafford. Mosaic for the Lions. It's a slick-looking card. Will the one of Aaron Rodgers. Do we get 6 or 7 cards in this pack? Oh, okay, we got 6. Yeah, they must put an extra colored card in there. Touchdown Masters of Larry Fitzgerald, Mosaic for the Cardinals, and a debut Henry Ruggs. Once again, the Raiders loading up. Oh, we got a little swirly. Drew Brees, Landon Collins, Troy Aikman, and this card's upside down, I'm pretty sure here. Is a Genesis. It is a rookie Genesis. You see the little line right there? Cutting across. You know it's a rookie. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating bullets. I don't think I pulled a rookie Genesis yet. We've opened a ton of these things. I'm terrible at revealing. Screw it, let's do it. Oh, sick nasty. Dang. That is a nasty card. It's not even a debut either. It's a thoroughbred rookie, boy. That is sick nasty. For the Redskins. I don't know who picked up the Redskins, but I would imagine this is a fairly expensive card at this point in time. That's crazy. Flea Flicker for the Colts. Edgerrin James, Peyton Manning, and Reggie Wayne. And we got a John Elway Hall of Fame. I'm going to take another look at this card right quick before we go on. The lighting's kind of bad, but that's a pretty good look at it. Let it shine a little bit. That's crazy cool. The Genesis cards are one of my favorite across like any brand at all. I don't know, they just look so sick nasty. They're so rare too. I would love to know what the actual print is like per card. It's got to be probably like less than 50. Adam Vinatieri, Charles Woodson, and a Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith. Our pink cards there. So we got 4 packs to go. Mike Williams. Terry Bradshaw. Oh, we have a silver rookie coming up too. Travis Kelce. Jason Witten. I'm just going to go for it full blown. Oh, the Raiders. The Raiders, though. Brian Edwards. Silver rookie for the Raiders. And DeAndre Swift rookie for the Lions. That's crazy. The Raiders they've had a couple good breaks, but this has just been nuts. This is how many rookie cards they've pulled. No Lynn Bowden yet, though. We got like 2 or 3 Ruggs, a couple Brian Edwards. Did we pull another nice Raiders card a second ago? I don't remember. Oh man, that's a terrible opening. Sneaky reveal there. Marshawn Lynch, Michael Thomas, Mark Ingram. Oh, I didn't think it was going to be a debut. I thought it was going to be a veteran player. Snuck in a little Clyde action there. Mosaic debut for the Chiefs. Got a flea flicker for the Bills of Devin Singletary, Josh Allen, and Stephon Diggs. We got another debut. This one's Jordan Love for the Packers. I don't know if I'm a fan of the debut. Like, I get why they have it, but problem with the debut that I have, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, they don't even, usually a debut card, like a debut in the MLB, they'll put the date, usually they'll put that stamp the date that they first played in the majors. It's like there's really no point in it. Like, try to compete with a rookie card. Like, it just, I don't know, just print less cards. It pulls the value down of the main rookie cards, I feel like. Tyrann Mathieu for the Chiefs. Jared Goff and a rookie, Patrick Queen, the Baltimore Ravens. The LSU boy. Racked up 14 or 15 draft picks, I think. Our stack's growing a little bit. Still pretty excited over that Chase Young Genesis. Old Dalvin Cook, Cam Chancellor, DeAndre Hopkins. Got Hall of Fame Kevin Green, Mosaic for the Panthers. Darius Leonard got game, and a Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith. Interesting. What in the world is that? It's like they stuck a piece of paper on that card. I'm not going to try to get that off. I'm just going to leave it on there, but something's definitely up with that card. Carson Wentz, Boomer Esiason, Larry Fitzgerald, a silver, Jason Witten. The Raiders are just playing with us. They throw a little Cowboys jersey at us, but down there at the bottom says Las Vegas Raiders. That's like one of the only cards in the set that's got a changed team on it. And a Denzel Mims rookie. This card's not really don't really hold a lot of value, but once again, the Raiders getting all the color, all the rookies, all the excitement. Teddy Bridgewater, pink for the Panthers. Marshawn Lattimore, and a rookie for the Cardinals of Isaiah Simmons. Not sure why some of the players are still in their college uniforms. It's not a variation or anything. It's like they missed the appointment to go get their new picture taken or something. We got a Cooper Cup, Rod Woodson, Charles Tillman, maybe another silver. We do another silver rookie. Oh, I thought that was the silver. I was like, whoa, that's a base Pat Mahomes. We got a silver rookie popping up. Oh, a Patrick Queen. Another Patrick Queen. I think we just got a pink, so now we got the silver for the Ravens. Isaiah Simmons, another rookie there for the Cardinals. Like they flip-flopped them or something. I think they were both in that last pack as well. The last couple packs, maybe. It's good to get some silver rookies. Those seem kind of hard to find. Alrighty. Oh, I thought we had another Genesis as a green. John Riggins, Jamal Adams, Deshaun Watson, Hall of Fame Jim Kelly for the Bills. Green there. Dalvin Cook, touchdown masters for the Vikings. And NFL debut A.J. Dillon for the Packers. Could really use a monster quarterback pink here. Not really looking for the Brett Favre pink, but we'll take it. A.J. Brown and a NFL debut A.J. Dillon. So we just got his base card, and then we get the pink right after. We pulled some decent cards this evening, but the quarterbacks are just getting pummeled. They were terrible in the break earlier. And overall in all the breaks, they're pretty hard to pull in general. All right, our last Cello here. We have a DK Metcalf, Devin McCourty, Tre'Davious White, Carlos Hyde, Eli Manning touchdown masters Mosaic, the Giants, and a Chase Claypool base rookie for the Steelers. Terry McLaurin, Sam Darnold, Roquan Smith. We got a little NFL debut slipped in there. Green Cam Akers for the Rams. Will to win of Lamar Jackson and a Lamar Jackson MVPs. Back-to-back inserts there. Ravens had an okay break with some of those Patrick Queen cards as well. Top loader's a little sticky in there. We got one little pack left. One measly little pink pack to save our rear ends. We haven't seen a Tua, a Burrow, or a Herbert all break long. Tyler Boyd, Curtis Martin, and a Pro Bowl Mark Andrews for the Ravens. Well, we have a pretty thick stack to recap. One monster card tucked away in here. Oh, I forgot about this one. A Scripps, Aeneas Williams, the Cardinals. Jeff Okudah green for the Lions. Henry Ruggs pink for the Raiders. Nice Tom Brady pink. Kenneth Murray pink for the Chargers. Brandon Ayuk pink for the 49ers. There's a silver Howie Long. Kyler Murray pink. AJ Terrell green. Chase Claypool NFL debut pink. There's the monster Chase Young Genesis. The Redskins, or the Washington football team, excuse me. Brian Edwards silver for the Raiders once again. Nice little Clyde Edwards-Helaire NFL debut Mosaic. Patrick Queen pink. Jason Witten silver to the Raiders. Isaiah Simmons pink for the Cardinals. Another Patrick Queen, that was a silver. A.J. Dillon, NFL debut pink, and a Cam Akers green for the Rams. So we had quite a variation of players. We just missed the big players. I feel like I said that again already tonight, but no quarterbacks. I don't even know if I pulled a. I don't think I pulled a Herbert or a Burrow all night. We had a break earlier tonight of football, so that's not good. Maybe that means they're tucked away in some other boxes I have, hopefully. So, anyways, I know it's late. You guys get some rest. Have a good weekend. If you need something, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. I'll try to help you with that. Otherwise, I'm going to hop off here and get to sorting and packing up some cards. We'll see you guys later.